Hey you guys, it's Marci, the Rusty Blonde. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be going over my coffee bar setup, my coffee station. I love this thing. When we originally bought my house, it was set up as their little workstation. They had a computer and a little chair there. The desk was really low, so I think it was meant for children. But with the faux painting that's on the wall, they actually did the faux painting around this section here. So we just kind of had to leave the granite countertop where it was, or desktop, and I had to find something to cover up the plain wall in that section. So I'm gonna go over the whole coffee bar, my whole setup. I'll tell you where I got things or where I purchased them, where I found them, things like that. And yeah, let's get right to it. Okay, so here's a quick look at the room. Here is my coffee station. It's like in a little nook inside of my dining room. I'm gonna spin around so you can see the room it's in. This is our dining hutch. You can see back there our kitchen. And then here is my dining room. This room was originally a living room, but the actual little dining area was way too small for me. I like comfort food. I like family around the table. And so a few years ago, we converted this into our dining room, and I love it, you guys. This is where we are at the most. Anyways, it's my favorite. I love the faux painting on the walls. I'll show you up here. Oh yeah, the top of that, look how cute that is. I got all of that from an antique shop. But look at the faux painting on the walls. I just love it. Anyways, it's very cool. I have a little antique desk under here. But anyways, there's our living room. Okay, so on to my coffee station. You guys, I love this. So as I mentioned before, this was originally, it looked like a children's desk. And so basically it sat empty. We did connect our computer here when we first moved in because that's where it was all set up to do so. But then a few years ago, I was in Colorado with my family, my husband's side of the family, which is also my family. But anyways, we were watching some shows and I saw that they were doing coffee stations, coffee nooks. And all of a sudden I came home and within 2 days, I had this whole thing made. So starting at the top, so this rack here, this whole rack, it was purchased from Hobby Lobby, and all of my mugs and my entire kitchen is Pioneer Woman because I'm obsessed with her collection. I absolutely love it. But up here in the baskets, I keep my 3 favorite mugs. I have a couple more, but they are currently being used or dirty in the dishwasher. I have coffee filters and then my espresso mugs and then my children's mugs that they like to use with hot cocoa and stuff. Up there on the shelf, some of the decor, this stuff over here is Hobby Lobby. This was actually purchased in Brazil. And this stuff, the owl and the flowers were purchased from Imperial Imports. Is it Imperial Imports? Yeah. And so that turned out really cute there. And then obviously my bottle of Bailey's is from me. But this sign here, my parents found it in an antique shop and they gave it to me for Christmas or my birthday one year. Coffee, you can sleep when you're dead. Way too perfect. So then this was also Hobby Lobby, this little rack here. I purchased that, and then I actually just painted the back of it red and antiqued it a little bit. My green tiny espresso mugs were purchased from an antique shop, and it came with a little matching pitcher. And then the black and white espresso mugs were purchased in Brazil. So again, those are all Pioneer Woman. I'm gonna back up here. This sign here was purchased from Hobby Lobby, and I just bought a chalk marker, and I used Pinterest, and I looked up cute little coffee signs, and I just kind of came up and free-handed my own, and it turned out really cute. I absolutely love it. And it's pretty big. I would say it's like 3.5 or probably 3.5 feet wide by 2.5 feet tall. Super cute. Okay, and now you have my actual coffee station here. To the left, I have my little red tin. That is what I use to dump my used espresso in. Here is my espresso machine. I love it. There is my white chocolate sauce I use. The I Love Coffee was purchased from my aunt and cousin in Colorado for my birthday a few years ago. And the Keurig is for my coffee. And then this is also Pioneer Woman. I keep my spoons for tall cups, and then more of my husband's Keurig cups. And then this is Pioneer Woman, and it keeps all of our tea bags in it. So they each have different flavors. And then those 3 little jars. And most of this is from Hobby Lobby. All Pioneer Woman stuff is purchased from Walmart or online through Amazon or eBay if it's discontinued. All of my machines were purchased from Amazon. That is my coffee grinder. It's amazing, you guys. I love it. If you have not tried fresh ground coffee, it's amazing. And then down here, I purchased these at TJ Maxx. They were just little metal garden bins. And the bottom 2 were actually a silver, kind of rusted out silver. And I came home and I painted them the maroon and antiqued them a little bit. And in those bins, and this first black one, I keep my K-cups. This second one is all of our tea. This third one and this bottom red one are more coffee mugs. And then this bottom one here, my sister gave me like a mocha hot cocoa blender, which we use a couple times a year, and that's in there. So there you have it, my awesome coffee station. I love it. I'm obsessed with it. It's beautiful, functional, and oh my gosh, any coffee lover will love it. Okay. So anyways, I thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any other questions about where I got anything, if there's anything I missed, just shoot me a message down below. And yeah, sounds good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.